Man, YouTube, we can't catch a break. This is about to be like my 5th time skunking. I can't catch nothing. I don't know what else to do. What you think? What you got now? Man, you got a crappie bait tied up? That'd be funny you catch some too. I'll spot lock it right here, you catch some.
Like grass. You got a lot of grass over there.
Oh man. Shout out to Gizmo. I feel like you now. Can't catch no fish. I think talking to you done got me a dry spell. Alright guys, we came to a second spot. They got water moving. There's like an intersection right here. Right here. Got a croaker. We're still using shrimp at the bottom. We haven't had no luck with plastic, so. Well, we're still in this intersection. Switched up the baits. I'm using a popping cork. Dale's using, what you using, Dale? Shrimp on the bottom still. You probably have seen it. I think it was a ladyfish just got off. That's about it. But y'all know what to expect. We ain't gonna catch shit. There you go. What is it?
I don't know, it's coming towards you, though.
What the? It's a ladyfish?
Yeah.
There you go. Oh,
You got off.
spot we here at the Hopedale Rock Dam. Everybody that fishes Hopedale knows exactly where we at. We're just gonna try it out, see if maybe some fish are holding up on these rocks. The water looks good, so let's see if we can catch some. I see some people on the bank over there though. Oh, they got off the boat.
Are they on the boat or they on the rock?
No, they on the rocks. They got off the boat. You see it? They're fishing the south side.
It's like a kayak right there.
Is it? Yeah, it is a kayak, huh? They got 2 people though. So we started fishing. Got my spin cast. You was using shrimp on the bottom. Dale's got shrimp on the bottom as well. We're getting a few nibbles. Nothing caught yet. So decided to come to this corner where the rocks kind of meet. Right here, just at the corner maybe. Oh, they go bite. Oh, missed them. It's probably something small. It's a sheep's head. It's a baby sheep's head.
Throw them in the cooler.
No size limits, but we ain't gonna keep them. Alright guys, here goes another fish. Second fish of the day, same spot. Man, it feels good to catch one. It's been, God, I don't know how long. Let me see. Fuck no. Who can tell me what this is?
It's an ugly fish.
Go ahead and get it down in the comments and let me know what y'all think this is. We catching some specks. Well, we caught one speck and we caught a drum. This is brand new to the channel, so hopefully we catch another one. We're using dead shrimp at the bottom. That's what they want to bite on. Hopefully, but that's about time I start catching other fish other than catfish. I'm catfish fanatic, me. Man, it is so hot in Louisiana. I got some shrimp. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. I say they're about 5 minutes ready to get eaten. We just need some seasoning and then we good. Probably croakers on there. Oh man, Dad, we gotta catch some, bro. I ain't smelt the redfish in I think a year. His horsefly's acting the fool though. We are at the 3rd spot. Caught a drum, but he's not 12 inches, so I have to throw him back. Well, not 12 inch, 11 inch trout. Had to throw him back. So that's good signs. The tide ain't moving like it was in the other spot. I'm heading this way, I guess. So hopefully we start having luck in this spot. Probably another catfish. Trout. Alright guys, here got another trout. You already know me. You already know me. I'm gonna catch him. They out there, I'm gonna catch him. It's a keeper right here. There you go, guys. Nice little trout. First keeper of the day. That black drum was right at 12 inches. I said Louisiana, they gotta be 16 inches at least. And they was over here catching catfish. Catching everything except for keepable fish. Somebody said a prayer for this man because he can't catch nothing, man. Oh, it's a drum. Hey man, they're finally on the board with a trout. I don't know if that's 12 though. You can measure him right there. He might be.
What's the 12 mark? You need to mark this.
I know.
1, 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
He wanted that thing. He wanted that thing to make it so bad.
Who's gonna do in one trout?
I don't know. That work he just hit different. Right now I could do this all day. You can put me at work. What? Guys, it's starting to heat up. Starting to heat up. Look at that. He's eating shrimp though. Yeah.
Or he probably ate the shrimp that you
No, because I threw a tail. He got the whiskers. Another trout, guys. I think we found him finally. It's definitely 12 inches. They're like right there.
Yeah, like right where you
Find your own spot though.
Huh?
Yeah. Find your own spot.
Go in that corner.
Go throw over there, bro. Yeah. Close your eyes. My hair slimy.
Hurry up, because them niggas probably they might not stay here for long.
I know. Alright guys, all we're doing is just throwing dead shrimp, letting it hit the bottom, and just bouncing it off the ground. Don't lose them. Ooh. This is a nice little drum.
Give me that lip.
After all day of struggling, guys, we got him. We finally found the bite. I think it's the change up of a tide. For the first time on this channel, y'all gonna see some fish being caught. Man, it's crazy.
16.
Yeah. You abandoned him. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, he's good. Alright. Got a monster on. Come on.
I don't feel like no drum though, but
Probably a red.
it's heavy though, whatever it is.
He ain't going down, so I don't think he's a black drum. Is he going down?
I don't know. You really want to fight like that.
Yeah. Yep. That's a good red too. Oh man. Remember that shit spinning.
Huh? I know.
YouTube. The prayer works are working, boy. The prayer groups are working. My man's finally caught a fish. Look at him. Look at him. He's smiling. After trying to sleep in. We're on a grocery run. Alright. Oh, that's a nice red.
Oh, never mind.
He done. Power him in. It's a beautiful red. Oh man, you better get off.
That's all you needed right here. So it's a red. You still ain't cut.
I can't catch no red, bro. Just bring him to me. I done got bit on my back. Bring him to me.
He right there.
There you go. Man, we don't stop that. Got him. That's a good one.
How good?
Oh, he's good. Not like yours, but he's good. Oh, it's a black drum. Yeah. I should be able to. Let's see. Oh, he's barely hooked. How about cooking? How about cooking? That oven set. That oven preheated to 400 degrees. Cooking up. Come on. Nah. That's an oyster fish. Stick your finger in there.
I'm gonna take a video of that. Put this on TikTok. Like this, how you gonna let the nigga see your hand like this?
Alright. Yeah, I think he is about 16. Oh man, he in the pylons. You can get him out. Yeah, you can get him. Yeah. Oh, that's a giant right there. Golly.
God damn. I knew it was a flower, son. I just knew the way he picked it up.
Another fucking red.
Oh, God damn.
I'm gonna bring him to you so you don't make a big ass mess. What the fuck?
Really far from it. That's why you can help him so quick.
What, a sheep's head? Oh, baby cheeps. Alright guys, that's it. We got the boat loaded, heading home. I'd say it was a pretty good trip today. I think we ended up with like 4 trout, 2 drum, and 1 redfish. Not so bad.
2 flounder.
Oh, and we got 2 flounder, 2 that Dale caught. So we ain't do too bad. We're gonna see how this video turns out, and we'll catch you guys in the next episode.